If these people can complete a work in 10 days, how many days these many people can take to complete the same work? This pattern of problem can be solved using very simple formula M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. M refers to number of men and D refers to number of days, and in this formula W refers to work done. Welcome to second part of time and work series. 24 men can complete the work in 10 days. 8 men can do it in how many days? Let's formulate this problem using this formula. 24 men is M1, can complete work in 10 days is D1, and 8 men is M2, can do it in how many days? This is what we have to find. We have all other values, just substitute. 24 into 10 equals 8 into x, and solving x is 30. Let's see why this formula is working. Let's say these 24 people are working and these 8 people are working. On the first day, these 8 people will complete the work equivalent to work done by these 8 people. And on the second day, these 8 people will work on the portion of work done by these 8 people. On third day, they will complete the portion of work done by these 8 people. So, if 24 people work for one day, that same work will take 3 days to complete by 8 people. So, this 24 people is taking 10 days to complete the work, and this 8 people will take 3 into 10. That is 30 days to complete the same work. 5% can eat 5 apples in 5 days. 10% can eat 10 apples in how many days? Here 5% is M1 and 5 days is D1. This 5 apple is the work done. So we have to use this formula for this problem. M1 5 and D1 also 5 and W1 is 5. M2 is 10 and D2 is what we have to find, and W2 is 10 apples. Find X will be 5. 10% can eat 10 apples in 5 days. If 30 laborers working 7 hours a day can finish a piece of work in 18 days, how many laborers working 6 hours a day can finish it in 30 days? Here 30 laborers is M1 and 18 days is D1. This 7 hours is also related to time. So this cannot be taken as work done. We have to multiply 7 and 18 and take it as D1. So M1 is 30 and for D1 7 into 18 is equal to, we don't know how many laborers, so X. They are working 6 hours a day for 30 days, so 6 into 30. On simplifying, X equals 21. This problem is little complex, not so much. A garrison of 500 men had provisions for 27 days. After 3 days, reinforcement of 300 men arrived. For how many more days will remaining food last now? So, there are 500 men and they have food for 27 days. 3 days over. So, now there are 500 men and they have food for 24 days. Now, additionally 300 men have arrived. So, now number of men becomes 800. Since number of men is increased, food will be consumed faster and will not last for 24 days. We have to find how many days remaining food lasts now. So we have to find number of days this food will last. So M1 is 500 and D1 is 24. If there are 500 men, they can eat for 24 days without food, and there are 800 men. We have to find for how many days they can eat. On simplifying, X will be 15 days. So for 15 days, remaining food will last for 800 people. A certain number of men can finish piece of work in 100 days. If there were 10 men less, it would take 10 days more to be completed. How many men were there? Here number of men is not given. So X is M1 and they will complete the work in 100 days. If there were 10 men less, since if there were X minus 10 men, it would take 10 days more to be completed. So they will take 100 plus 10, 110 days to complete the work. If we simplify this equation, we can get number of men. 10x equals 11x minus 110. So x will be 110 men. If you find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe Aptitude peice. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.